Want to make your text look like it's being written by hand? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a writing text animation in After Effects. First, I'll create a new composition. It will be 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second. Click OK. Then select the Type tool and type something. Let's go for a write. I'm using Freestyle Script Regular with a size of 500 pixels as the font. I'm going to align the text in the center of the composition using the Align panel. Next, left-click the layer so it's highlighted, then select the Pen tool or press G on the keyboard as a shortcut. Start creating a mask on top of the text, following the path all the way. The first point you create should be somewhat outside the text. The second point can be on top of the text. Proceed tracing over the text. You don't have to be super precise. Just make sure the mask path you create is roughly in the middle of the text stroke or text path. Take your time and trace over the first letter. Once you've finished tracing the first letter, you can either continue the same mask to the second letter or create a brand new mask. To make a new mask, left-click the layer so it's highlighted, then create a new point. This creates a separate mask and you can continue tracing the second letter. After finishing the second letter, left-click the layer again and proceed to the next one. I'll speed this up so you don't have to wait. After you've finished tracing all the letters, open the Effects and Presets window and search for the stroke effect. Add the stroke effect to the text layer. Then go to the Effect Controls panel. The first thing you want to change is Paint Style. Set it to Reveal Original Image. Make sure All Masks is checked, and Stroke Sequentially should be checked as well. Increase the brush size until you can see the text completely. This value will depend on the font and size you're using. 30 works fine in my case. Move the time indicator to the start of the timeline and create a keyframe for end by clicking the stopwatch. Set the value to 0%. Move 2 seconds forward and set end to 100%. Press U to reveal the keyframes on the timeline. Drag to select both keyframes, right-click one of them, and choose Keyframe Assistant, Easy Ease, or press F9 as a shortcut. If you preview now, this should give you the handwritten effect applied to the text. It's very simple. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.